What's that? Nice one? Oh, a little one. Yep. It's alright. Well, at least we know we're back in the right spot, eh?
Yeah.
Just digging that one off the bottom, was it?
Yeah. Hardly moving it.
Got him? Oh.
Pretty light rod though, bro.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. As light as light.
It's alright.
Yeah. What do you want to do with keeping some? What do you want to do?
Oh, only the big ones, probably.
Nothing like that?
Nah. Only probably keep half a dozen or something. If we don't get enough, we don't get enough. I'll just let them all go.
Do you want me to keep you some? Know what I mean?
Yeah, but that's right. I haven't caught one yet, so. It's alright. Do you want to keep that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that one's keeper.
I might keep, and I'll probably fill it in some for you.
No, that's alright.
Just too much for you on.
No. You want me to get it out for you, or are you right? I've got the.
I'll be getting me pliers.
I've got pliers out.
Geez, they're taking these trebles, aren't they?
Yeah. He's definitely inhaled that, hasn't he?
He's taken it, yeah. So.
There we go. Well, that's the first one for the day. The first keeper.
Oh, we've got the $20 if no been on.
Yeah. Just digging it off the bottom, Les.
Yeah, just barely off. I pulled the line up a bit and just took it off the bottom a bit more.
Yeah.
Just barely off the bottom.
Little.
Yeah.
But the white one's doing alright. I might have to switch to a white lure, I think.
I've got another one of them in there if you want to try it.
I'll see how I go. Oh yeah, geez, there's a heap of fish under the boat now.
Is there?
Yeah. Yep, can see them all on the fish finder. They'll probably follow on that one up.
Yeah.
If I don't get anything soon, I'm going to definitely have to change lures.
I had to get on the way down.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's still more fish under the boat. It's about 6.5 metres today, where we are.
About 18 feet.
Gone? Yeah.
Worm's gone.
Yeah, definitely.
First time ever.
Yeah.
So he's taking it, hasn't he? Not a keeper, is he?
Oh, it's up to you if you want. Nah.
Yeah, you're still.
Well, I've come over to your side of the boat, Les, because I haven't caught one yet.
You've still got to be able to catch him, Brett.
I know, well that's we lost him.
Yeah. Never did till you come here.
Well, I just moved the boat a little bit too, so we've probably got onto the actual better spot. That being said, I haven't had a bite yet.
Haven't got much worm left on this, so they're hitting the worms pretty hard to take them.
Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's a good hit. Got him.
Oh,
Only a little one though. Jesus. Yeah, that's the first one. Oh. Well, changing sides of the boats helped. Little reddies. Bit bigger than last week though, but all catching little ones, but really had to catch him.
Yeah.
Jeez.
That's the guy. Oh, look, still got worm?
Yeah, the scrubbies on there still.
Oh, gee. Straight away.
Oh, really?
Alright.
Oh, yeah, he's a right one. It's only over that side of the boat. That's what. Is that because you're sitting on that side?
Yeah, they might be looking for Macy.
Yeah. Lift it up for you. There we go.
You are useful, really, aren't you, Mike? Just lifting the lid up, put someone else's fish in, mate.
Yeah, that's about all I'm really doing today, isn't it? Helping you get your fish off or help storing them. Another one, Les. Oh yeah, they're under the boat again. Not helping me though. I'm probably just luring them back to the boat for you to catch them, I think. That's about all I'm doing.
No good.
Nah.
Probably that first one I got wasn't much better, was it?
Yeah. I'll see.
Second one was alright, wasn't
Yeah.
it? How was your first and second and third one? Much of a mussel? No, someone on these, though. Ooh.
They're down there because I'm getting bites on my lure as you're bringing it in. Oh, here's a good one. There's a few following it too. I was getting bites on the lure as you're bringing it up because I reckon they'll...
Chasing it.
Can we get that one out for you or...?
Oh, you're busy, old.
No, that's right. I'll get it. I need every excuse to not be fishing too.
Don't like admitting this, Breton, but you're not doing much good. Thanks for that. He's a keeper, isn't he?
Yeah. Got him.
Isn't it?
Yep.
Congratulations.
He's an unlucky fish though, isn't he? Being caught by me, I tell you. It's only the second one this morning.
Some of them aren't real bad fish.
Yeah. Like if you were after feed, you'd still probably keep him, but you know. It's alright. Might stick with the scrub worms for a bit more, I think, because that's the only. I've only 2 fish I've caught on scrub worms.
Oh, you're breaking all records.
Oh, he's a nicer fish, I think.
Is it?
I still probably little, but probably my biggest for the day.
Oh, you know, he's a keeper.
Yeah.
He's a keeper, mate. He's even making mine look small, isn't he?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh,
Might be onto the school.
you're knocking me off catching them though, Breton.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
It's alright.
I lost that fish twice. I did too. Oh, that's all right.
So I've just got the garden worm on, so I'm surprised I've had 3 bites.
I'm surprised you even caught any the way you're going.
Well, it is not my day. Chuck it back.
My fish?
If it's not in the boat, I can say, oh, you never caught it.
I was only showing you.
I better turn the video off so there's no video evidence either.
I was only showing you. I didn't mean really that bad.
Oh, straight away. Got him. Oh, I lost him. Oh no, I got him. He's a little one though. Oh, he's coming up with the
Something good.
Yeah, I'll get the net out. I've got the net here. It's might be a decent carp. Oh, it is a big carp.
Is it?
I think so. Jesus. Oh, jeez, he's going. Go.
That's what might be those big bites.
Yeah.
Faster than.
Look at that. Put a little bit of line out. I'll unhook him. Look.
I'm making you work.
Got to do something because I think I've only caught the what 2 or 3 fish. That's it.
That's what's going around there, bait.
Yeah. Well, definitely the biggest fish for the day by Les.
Yeah.
Put up a good fight anyway, didn't he?
Yeah.
On the net. Oh, here's a nice one. Oh, here's a nice one. Biggest for the day. I'll get him off for you, Les.
Oh yeah, but then you say it's your fish. I've seen blokes like you getting their photo taken with them.
Definitely the nice fish, that one.
Yeah.
Jeez. Couple. Well, we did say they came on the bite around this time last time, didn't we? Look at that. That's a real nice one.
In the same spot.
Yeah.
And the point is...
I'll claim that one. Can I claim that?
Oh, depending on who you're telling.
Hey? Yep.
You can have it. You never lend of it. Oh, Bretton, you've got a bite on your lure. How deep is your lure? On the bottom?
Oh no, it's just here. Oh, it's just here.
Aye? And it took it too.
I just had it sitting just there, like that. The leader was just under.
Yeah.
The leader was just under the water.
Yeah, well, when I said you how deep is it, then I seen the bloody leader.
Oh, jeez.
Maybe they're coming on the bite. Yeah. I'll be buggered. What do you, no?
Nah.
I was just going to throw him in and be done with it. Oh, I lost me worm. I'm going to throw him in without asking from now on.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Net or what? Oh, he's a keeper.
Yeah.
2 hooks.
Yep.
Yeah. Good on you.
Let's let the water drain out a bit more. Throw out a few more. Some nice reddies. Just enough for a feed there. 4 reddies we bought back.